Hi, this is Yogesh Chabria, and I believe one of the most beautiful gifts you can gift yourself is the gift of patience. And in today's world, people have lost the art of patience, but patience is such a beautiful gift. And if you understand the power of patience, everything in your life will change. What do I mean by it? I observe people all over the world, and when you observe people, you realize so many people, so many of you out there have forgotten the art of patience. You want everything instantly. You start a new business, you start a new job, you start something, you want quick results, you want everything immediate. And while it might sound like a good thing to get everything immediately, many times it isn't. And that's why you need to cultivate patience. What do I mean by this? For example, let's say you get success very easily. You get success at a very young age. I mean, there are people who become movie stars when they're child artists, or they become successful very, very easily. And sometimes that success is not good for them because they don't realize and they don't have a balanced internal state. And that's why many times you see people who became very wealthy or very famous or very successful at a very young age, they were not able to handle that success. They lost their way. So they resorted and they didn't know what to do with all that success. And if you see, they had a downward spiral. So some of them might have become alcoholics, or they might have gotten addicted to drugs or substances or other things. And over time, they lost the feeling, the art, the life, and they lost appreciation for what they had. And many times, the other is also true. Sometimes people have to go through a lot. They have to go through so much to reach where they are. And when that happens, many times in hindsight, if you look at it, that's a beautiful thing, because now they appreciate what they have much more. They value it much more. And they have seen the other side. So they have seen how it is to not have success or not have fame or not have power or not have wealth. So now they are more observant, they are more careful, they have learned more. And that's why you need to cultivate the art of patience. And patience is also very good for your mental well-being. Imagine you're sitting in a car and there's a traffic jam and you're trying to drive the car. Now, if you start honking, you start pressing the horn, no matter how much you press the horn, your horn is not going to make the car in front of you disintegrate or disappear. At least I don't know of any car that has such powers in the horn. But still, sometimes you see people, they are constantly honking. Now, that is just creating frustration within you. On the other hand, if you become patient, if you start, okay, this is where I am, let me make the most of it. Maybe I can listen to something. Maybe I can learn. Maybe I can laugh. Maybe I can enjoy some good music. So once you bring in patience, you are in it for the long term. Even when you're starting something new, you're starting a business, patience is very important, because if you're not patient, you're not going to go through it. Life many times is like a marathon. It's not like a sprint, right? In a sprint, the fastest wins. But in life, many times it's like a marathon. Who can go the longest? Who has the maximum patience? Even in negotiations, even in business, patience. Sometimes patience, if you're patient with the negotiation, that could mean millions of dollars for you, because you are in no rush. You're in no hurry. And this is something which people need to cultivate. And the moment you cultivate patience, you will realize your stress levels going down, your anxiety going down, because in many ways you have surrendered to a higher force, because you know that there is something higher, there is some deeper meaning. Even, for example, if let's say I want to share a story, or I want to go for a seminar, or I want to create something, I need to have this inner sense of patience. If I'm constantly thinking, oh, what am I going to share? What am I going to do? Nothing will come to my mind. But the moment I become patient, the moment I become calm from within, I will be able to attract creative ideas. Try it out in your life when you're facing a challenge, when you're in a certain state where you feel nothing is working out. Simply become patient. Go for a walk. If you have a beach near you, go for a walk near the beach. Water has a lot of healing powers. Go for a swim. Walk in the garden. Walk bare feet on grass, and you will realize, become calm. Walk under the moonlit stars. Look at the stars. Don't carry your phone. And gain this sense of inner calmness and patience. And you will realize that most of your problems have a solution when you become calm and patient. If you observe your life, you look at the past, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 years of your life, you will realize the moment you became patient from within, the moment you surrendered, You got beautiful solutions and things worked out for the better. Cultivate the art of patience. It's beautiful in every small area of your life. With people also, if you become patient, you will have a different perspective. Take care, try it out, and I shall see you soon.